Officials and employees of the Department of Public Works and Highways are now excused from wearing their uniforms amid the flood control mess. In a memo dated September 9 and released to the media Thursday, September 11, Secretary Vince Dizon says the suspension of the uniform policy is effective until further notice. Speaking to the media on Thursday, Dizon says he took pity on the innocent DPWH employees who are reportedly experiencing harassment due to the flood control scandal.
Awang-awa po ako sa kanila. Dahil wala po silang kinalaman sa mga ganito. Pero dahil po sa kasamaan at kasakiman nitong mga taong nito, nadadamay ito sila. At nakakaawa po na minsan nakukutsa sila, nahaharas sila pag sumasakay sila sa jeep, sa bus, sa MRT. So kaya po ginawa na po natin ito. Dahil nag-request po ang union ng PWH. At siguro po tama naman po na gawin natin ito kasi kawawa po.
However, the memo reminds personnel that they are still expected to report for duty in appropriate and presentable attire. Controversies currently surround the DPWH amid an ongoing investigation into allegations that some of its officials received kickbacks from flood control projects nationwide. Several DPWH officials and employees are facing draft charges before the Ombudsman over the supposed anomalies.